Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you set default display size in your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to set guys default display size. So guys, you can set it. And guys, now let's see how to set default display size in our Vivo phone. So first of all guys, we will have to on our phone settings. So guys, we will on it. Then guys, scroll, click on display and brightness tab here. Again scroll guys display size guys tap here, so you can see guys display larger size. So guys you want to set into large, standard and small. So guys standard means a default size, so guys we will set here to default it. So guys you can see guys, so I hope friends you have understood how to set default font or display size, or you can display default size in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet the next video guys. Bye bye, thanks for watching my video. And friends, do you have any doubt in your Vivo phone, so you can ask me in comment section, I will help you. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.